Hey guys, welcome to Aga Khan Palace. So this palace was built in 1892 by Sultan Aga Khan, and the main intention towards building this massive palace was to provide employment to famine affected people. So he employed 1,000 people that time, and it took 5 years to complete this magnificent monument. Originally it's a 3-story structure, however only ground floor is kept open for tourists and it is converted as a museum. So
and then he said khadi, he could use khadi. And then this is the room where he lost his beloved wife, and then she died. So this is the last day Gandhi brought his plant here, so she can sit here.
So guys, it is the same room where Sarojini Naidu kept here as a captive during imprisonment from 9th of August 1942 to 21st March 1943, and because of her bad health she was released from here unconditionally on 21st of March 1943. Now, so guys, this room was occupied by Mr. Mahadev Desai, who was the secretary of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and he was captive at this room and he died here at the same place during his imprisonment. So guys, this place has great importance in freedom movement of India. So guys, during Quit India freedom movement, Mahatma Gandhi ji were kept here along with his wife Kasturba Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, his secretary Mr. Desai, So guys, this massive Aga Khan Palace spread across 12 acres and the built-up area of this palace is 7 acres. So it took 5 years to complete this palace. So guys, this way is going towards the Samadhi of Kasturba Gandhi. And guys, it is the same way where Mahatma Gandhi used to go towards the Samadhi of his wife Kasturba Gandhi. Samadhi of Mr. Mahadev Haribhaji Desai, who was the secretary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. And just next to his samadhi, there is samadhi of Kasturba Gandhi, wife of Mahatma Gandhi. And Kasturba Gandhi died here during her captivity period in 1944, 22nd of February 1944. And when Mahatma Gandhi died, so the ashes of Mahatma Gandhi kept at the same place just next to the samadhi of his wife. So this is the place where the ashes of Mahatma Gandhi kept here.